Could you imagine a scenario where you're locked out of your crypto assets, not because you forgot a password, but because your hardware wallet is unresponsive or you simply want to start fresh? It's a frustrating thought, right? Especially when we're talking about something as critical as your digital wealth. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that many Tangem wallet users might find themselves needing at some point: how to reset your Tangem wallet. We've all been there. Maybe you're upgrading to a new set of Tangem cards, or perhaps you're troubleshooting an issue, or even just preparing to sell or give away a card securely. Whatever the reason, knowing how to properly reset your Tangem wallet is crucial for maintaining control and security over your cryptocurrencies. Unlike some other hardware wallets, Tangem has a unique approach to security and recovery, so the reset process isn't just about hitting a factory reset button. It's about understanding the underlying principles of how Tangem stores your private keys and how you can effectively wipe that data when necessary. First things first, it's vital to understand what a reset truly means for a Tangem wallet. When you reset a Tangem card, you are essentially wiping the private key stored on that specific card. This is a permanent action and cannot be undone. This is why it's absolutely paramount that before you even think about resetting, you have a secure backup of your wallet seed phrase or, in Tangem's case, your other linked Tangem cards that form your backup. If you're using a single Tangem card without a multi-card backup, and you reset it without having first transferred your assets to another wallet, those assets will be irretrievably lost. Consider this your primary warning. Always ensure your funds are safe or you have a valid backup before proceeding with a reset. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how it's done. The process largely depends on the firmware version of your Tangem cards and whether you're resetting a single card or a multi-card set. For most modern Tangem cards, the reset process is initiated directly through the Tangem app. You'll need to open the app, connect the card you wish to reset, and navigate to the card settings. Within the settings, you should find an option to purge wallet or reset card. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your app version. Once you select this option, the app will guide you through a confirmation process, often requiring you to tap the card multiple times to confirm your intention. This multi-tap confirmation is a security feature designed to prevent accidental resets. If you're using a multi-card setup, where you have 2 or 3 cards linked together for enhanced security, resetting one card doesn't necessarily mean you've reset your entire wallet. You're only resetting that specific card's linked to the wallet. To truly reset your entire multi-card wallet, you would typically need to reset all the cards individually, or create a completely new wallet set with new seed phrases. Again, the Tangem app is your primary interface for managing these actions, and it will provide prompts and instructions tailored to your specific setup. It's also worth noting that older Tangem cards or those with specific firmware might have a slightly different process, sometimes involving a factory reset through the app. However, the general principle remains: you're essentially telling the card to erase its stored private key. After a successful reset, the Tangem card will be in an empty state, ready to be linked to a new wallet, or simply discarded if that was your intention. You can then create a new wallet on it, or link it to an existing wallet as a new backup card. Remember, the power of a hardware wallet lies in its ability to keep your private keys offline and secure. Knowing how to responsibly manage and, when necessary, reset your Tangem wallet is a fundamental part of taking full control of your crypto security. It's not a feature you'll use every day, but when you need it, knowing the steps can save you a lot of headache and potentially a lot of crypto. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.